saying something about it's in another language or something. Should we check the results?
None of they're box packed, because as long as they're box packed, even if they're in a different language, you can resolve that.
But we just leave them in the boxes, not check, not turn them on, because they are open.
Go on and just check them. Why not?
Just no headache then afterwards, isn't it, at least?
Why not?
Let's put the iPhones in first, then we'll do them. Well, you know I had a session with Keita, didn't I? I had a drink with Keita. So in London, they all go to this one spot, which is near like Fulham.
T-Pain.
T-Pain, you guys see it right now?
Yeah, I know that.
They had this a studio kind of bar, and in the hotel they had a studio and all that. So he was in London. We went there one night, just me, my missus, my brother, and my sister and sister. We went for a couple of drinks one night randomly.
Yeah, and me and the Queen were skanking in fabric last month.
You know, I'm being serious. And worst thing is, he's got Samoan bodyguards.
Okay. Big Tom.
So he's literally, we were drinking, and oh, that's T-Pain, that's T-Pain. I said, shut up, bro, there's no T-Pain, yeah? Entourage. When I mean they took up the middle of this little bar, they took over the place, yeah? But they were quite just chilled. Some of them were just lit and having a joke. T-Pain was just sitting there, jamming, drinking, yeah? So, one of the guys we were with, even though we just like chatting to him, innit? Oh, T-Pain, T-Pain, We weren't like, oh, let's take autographs and all that pictures. I literally went up and said,